2018
Mazda 3.
With less than 51,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control, keyless entry. Find your dream car and drive it home today.